Nestled in the heart of Karnataka, India, amidst a tapestry of lush greenery and rolling hills, lies Bharachukki Waterfalls, a testament to the raw power and timeless beauty of nature. This natural wonder, formed by the river Kaveri as it descends over rugged cliffs, offers a spectacle that captivates the senses and nourishes the soul. As you approach, the distant sound of cascading water grows louder, drawing you closer to its mesmerizing embrace. Here, the river's relentless flow transforms into a symphony of movement, a dance of sheer energy and grace. The sheer force of Barachuki's waters creates a perpetual mist that hangs in the air, casting a veil of tranquility over the landscape. Rainbows shimmer in the spray, adding a touch of magic to an already enchanting scene. Surrounded by a thriving ecosystem, Bharachukki Waterfalls is not only a sight to behold but also a haven for diverse flora and fauna. Here, amidst the verdant forests, you may glimpse the vibrant plumage of birds or the fleeting movement of wildlife seeking refuge in this natural sanctuary. For centuries, Barachuki has been a source of inspiration and contemplation, a place where time seems to stand still, allowing visitors to reconnect with nature and themselves. Whether you seek adventure along its rugged trails or seek solace in its tranquil pools, Barachuki offers an experience that resonates long after you leave. Venturing further downstream, the journey along the river Kaveri leads to another marvel, the boat point at Shivanasamudra. Here, the river widens, creating a serene expanse where traditional coracle boats glide effortlessly over the calm waters. In this tranquil setting, surrounded by verdant hills and the gentle sounds of nature, the boat point offers a unique perspective of the river's journey. The rhythmic paddling of the boatman echoes the timeless rhythm of life along the Kaveri. As you drift along the river, framed by the lush greenery and the distant roar of Bharachukki Falls, you're reminded of the interconnectedness of land and water. And the profound influence of nature on the human spirit. Discover the magic, embrace the serenity. and immerse yourself in the wonder of Bharachukki Waterfalls and the tranquil boat point at Shivanasamudra, a journey through Karnataka's natural splendor that leaves a lasting impression.